dodge this.
Hello guys and welcome back to Technical Tekkit. I'm back at the castle. I've went and got some more stuff, some bricks, and I've done a couple of trips basically. And basically what I want to do today, because I filled all this with stone, is basically make a mob spawner type of thing because I desperately need the XP. I got a bit more off camera when I went back to the house and dropped all my stuff back. I repaired my tools, although I have used my pickaxe a couple of times because if you can see, let me just, how much redstone have I got on me? None. That's amazing. Let's get some redstone. Not that one. Oh, actually, I thought I had some redstone on me. Never mind. Right, where's my redstone gone? There it is. So if I just fly up here, you can see I've done this floor, a nice little pattern on the floor for the castle, but I am going to concentrate on the mob spawner today. I want to do it relatively close to my castle, so over here looks good enough. I'm going to set it today because I've turned mobs off anyway while I do build this, and let's just get rid of these because I'm only going to need these for now. Do it right over here, I think. I don't want it there, just here. Next to where all this black marble is. So what I'm going to do, I will be just like speeding bits of this up. I'm going 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then 8 down there. And then I think that'll be big enough. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah. Oh, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah. So we'll just go along here. I'm just going to fill all this in 9 high. So I'll probably speed this bit up, and I'll be back with you when I've got it all up. Right, so what I've done is I've built this quite high because basically I'm going to have other things to come down. It's going to push them down here, they're going to land on top of here, and then they're going to break. I'll fill this in so they don't fall straight through that gap. And yeah, so now what I need to do is I need to extend 4 ways out. So how many, what's the gap here? 3, which is good. So we'll go 3, like so. I'll speed this up as well, guys, on all sides, so you're not waiting too long. And the reach on this fucking game is terrible. Right, so I've I've went and built that up so far. Well, I just need a couple of these buckets here because I need to fill these with water to make sure that I'm in the right place. It should be good enough. I'm going to need to come back and get a couple of more though if this works. I don't know if I've done it exactly in the right place, so let's go and see. Alright, so if I stick that there, is that going to stop at the edge? Too far, so I need to come in a couple more. Right, okay then. Stop flying, please. Right, that seems to be working okay. Stick one there. That should... Ooh, 3 buckets of water per 1. Right, let's make this day again so I can see okay. A couple more buckets full of water. Alright, and one more there. Right, so that takes that right to the end. Right, okay, that's lovely. Let's do this on all sides. 2 inside. The reach is winding me up. Stops on the edge, lovely. Right, I'll speed this up, fill this up with water, and I'll be back. Right, so what we have now is all the water is built up and it flows right down to this end. So we need to now just build up another block right above it, a big square, where it's going to be really dark, so all the mobs will basically fall through it, land in this water, get pushed to the edge, fall down there. That should kill them, and I'll have a transport pipe dropping through that hole there into a chest where all the mob drops will go, and the XP will stay inside this tube here, which I will build up. So I'm going to again build up this block now, and I'll be back once this is done. Right, so now the spawner works. What it is I've had to make this drop a bit further down, which I did off camera because it was still taking 2 or 3 hits to kill them. This should kill them in 1 hit, just for the items, or usually it takes like 1 hit from them to fall, and I can just hit them through this. And then obviously I've got that magnetic thing on in my options, so the XP and the items will just fly to me. So, and as you can see off the mini map, they are spawning in there. Just gonna try and get one to drop here. Not dropping as fast as I wanted them to, so I might have to go up and edit that. But anyway, it works. As you can see, I have got some items already from the stuff and a bit more XP. If you like this, guys, don't forget to leave a like, leave a favourite, and